She never fell for the man who gave her everything. She fell for the man who gave her just enough to crave more. No one talks about this part out loud because it sounds unfair, maybe even a little cruel. But if you've ever wondered why she loses interest when you give too much, or why she suddenly wants you more when you pull away, the answer is right here. It's not because she wants to play games. It's not because she wants you to be cold. It's because deep inside her mind, there's a simple truth that shapes every pull and push in a relationship. Desire can't breathe in suffocation. It grows in space. At first you think giving more is the way. You answer every text instantly. You cancel plans to be available. You show up at her door with gifts, with words, with promises. You flood her with love because you think that's what makes her stay. But there's a secret edge to attraction that no one teaches you. When you remove the chase, you remove the heartbeat that makes her feel alive. She doesn't love distance because she wants you far away. She loves distance because it makes your closeness feel earned. When you pull back, you create a question in her mind that only you can answer. Do you still care? Are you losing interest? Is she losing you? Those questions are not poison, they are fuel for her desire. Most men hate this. They think if they pull back, they'll lose her forever. They think silence is dangerous. They think distance means she'll forget them. But it's the opposite. When a man can pull back calmly, without panic, without games, without bitterness, he becomes the one man she can't read, and the one man she can't stop thinking about. Because in that space you create, she starts to wonder. And wondering is where missing you begins. Women fall for the man who can touch them deeply, but who is never fully owned. They fall for the man who knows how to give, but who knows how to retreat too. Not to punish her, but to protect the balance. When you are always there, she stops feeling the mystery. When you pull back just enough, she comes forward with more than you ever had to ask for. If you've ever been the man who gave too much, you know how this story goes. She said she loved your effort, your devotion, your softness, but slowly you felt it. The small distance in her replies, the long gaps between messages, the tired excuses when you wanted to see her, and you thought, maybe if I do more, she'll come closer. But every step you took forward, she stepped back. Not because she's cruel, but because there was no space left for her to feel your absence. A woman can't miss what never leaves. She can't crave what's always in her pocket, ready to reply at a moment's notice. She can't feel desire when there's no gap to reach across. She loves men who pull back, not because they're cold, but because they're calm. They don't pull back to punish, but to protect the mystery that makes them unforgettable. When you pull back, you give her the freedom to come closer on her own. You give her mind a problem to solve, and women love solving the puzzle of a man's attention. This isn't about being a jerk, it's about discipline. It's about knowing when to hold her tight and when to stand still and let her move toward you. It's about trusting that your silence will do more than your words ever could. It's the man who can be warm and distant at the same time, who stays on her mind when she's lying awake at night. It's the man who can disappear for a while without panic, who feels like a challenge she never wants to lose. She tells her friends she hates it, but she doesn't. Deep down, she loves the way it makes her feel alive. The tension, the wondering, the rush when your name pops up again after a calm silence. This is how desire works. It needs air. It needs distance. It needs the small spark of doubt that maybe, just maybe, she could lose you if she doesn't water the connection. And here's what no one will tell you. She respects the man who pulls back more than the man who throws himself at her feet. Because pulling back shows you have a backbone, a boundary, a life that doesn't shrink itself to orbit hers. The man who can pull back is the man who knows he's enough, with or without her constant approval. And that's the man she wants more than the one who tries to prove himself every second. When you stay calm, when you don't chase, when you don't explain yourself too much, you give her mind the space to replay you, to miss you, to feel the gap that only you can fill. And it happens slowly at first. She notices you're not as quick to reply. She wonders why. She scrolls through your old messages, trying to find a clue. She starts to test you, a small text, a casual like on your photo, a hint that says I'm still here. Most men ruin this by jumping at the first sign. They flood back in with energy, destroying the mystery. But the man who understands this hidden truth stays still. He lets her reach out. He answers, but never with the same urgency he once did. He listens, but he never over-explains. She starts to crave that calm. She starts to crave the steadiness, the safety, the slight edge of not knowing exactly what you're thinking. Women fall hardest for men they can't fully hold. Not because they want to chase endlessly, but because that small space keeps the tension alive. And here's the secret. She doesn't want you to ghost her. She doesn't want you to be cold. She doesn't want you to punish her with silence that feels like cruelty. She wants you to be warm enough when you're near, but strong enough to be apart when it's time to stand back. The balance is everything. Too much distance and she feels unloved. Too much closeness and she feels smothered. The man who masters this dance, the push and pull, becomes unforgettable. So if you feel her pulling away, don't chase. If you feel her testing you, don't overreact. Pull back with calm. Pull back with quiet confidence. Let her come to you, and she will if the connection was real. A woman loves a man she can't fully figure out. She loves a man who can love her deeply, then go live his life fully without making her his oxygen. She loves the man who never begs her to stay, because he knows if she wants him, she will. When you pull back, you remind her she doesn't own you, and that makes her want you more. When you pull back, you remind her you have a life beyond her, and that life becomes more attractive than anything you could text her at 3 a.m. This is the quiet strength that separates the man she loves in passing from the man she loves forever. So next time you feel that urge to overdo it, pause. Hold your ground, keep your calm, let her miss you, let her wonder, let her feel that slight, delicious ache that only comes when a man isn't always within reach. You won't lose her by pulling back, you'll lose her by giving too much, too soon, for too long. Pull back to protect the space, pull back to protect yourself, pull back to remind her that your presence is a gift, not a guarantee. Because the truth is, she never loved the man who begged for her time. She loved the man who valued his own enough to guard it. Stay calm, stay still, and watch how she always finds her way back when you do. If you feel this truth inside you, hold on to it. And if you want more secrets they never tell you, stay here. Subscribe to FactScope, because some truths should never stay hidden. If you're still here, let this truth stay with you. Real power is quiet. Real strength doesn't chase. Desire grows when you stop trying so hard to be remembered. Every time you feel the need to do more, pause. Let your stillness speak. Let your calm make them wonder where you went. Be the one who knows how to hold back without anger, who never begs to be chosen, who trusts that distance does what words never could. If they come closer, good. If they don't, better. Because the man who can stand alone never really loses anyone. He only loses what was never meant to stay. So hold your calm, let them feel the gap, and never forget, the moment you stop needing to be needed is the moment you're impossible to forget.